Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. After using the wet wipes, don't throw away these plastic caps, you can reuse them. I'm going to show you 5 ideas with these plastic lids from wet wipes. So let's start with the first idea. I will use thicker paper and join two lids together using hot glue like I show you now. Where are you from? Let me know in the comments the name of your country. I would love to connect with people all over the world and see where my work is shared. Now I will cut the edges. In the end, I created a mini box that is very practical, as I will show you next. It is worth mentioning that we have created two storage spaces, which is hugely important when you are traveling. Now you can introduce anything you want to be able to travel, for example jewelry. Or even hair clips. It is very practical and takes up very little space. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's great to see support, thank you very much. Now I will present you the idea number 2. I'll use two caps from the wet wipes I didn't throw away. This box will help you carry small items easily. You can put medicine inside to take with you wherever you go. Or even personal care items that you will be able to use quickly. If you liked it so far, help me get 20,000 likes by clicking the like button. I really appreciate it, thank you very much. Another good idea is to keep sewing thread and needle for emergencies. I'm also surprised how much can fit into a small box. Now I will present you idea number 3, which is also very practical and easy to do. It always happens that you don't have paper clips or a pen with you exactly when you need them. We will create a storage space for both paper clips and pens. I am so happy to have you on my channel, it means a lot to me, thank you so much. I will use hot glue to attach the cap to the agenda. It will be very easy from now on to have quick access to what you need. You will also be able to carry them wherever you have work to do. Feel free to comment any hack idea I should do next. Idea number 4 is very good for keeping children safe at electrical outlets. I will use one cap. It is a very simple and practical solution that can save lives. The number 5 idea is very practical. You can quickly create a trash can without too much hassle. Which idea did you like the most? Tell me the number in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing tips.